Good morning, children. This is the last video of your chapter number 18. It is a short story about children showing the way. ये एक स्टोरी है जहाँ पे बच्चे एक राह दिखा रहे हैं. Too little water or no water. This was nothing new for the people in the Hulgundi area of Karnataka. The well would have some water only in the rainy days. In the past, In the past 3 years, there were not even enough rain. Everything had dried up there. There was no water for drinking, for growing crop, or for animals. People had to leave their village and go to the nearby town for some work. Children had to leave school to go with the elders. The panchayat was worried. All the members discussed what could be done. This panchayat had some special members. The children's panchayat was called Bhima Sangh. Has our village always had water shortage? The children asked the elders. No, it was not so before, replied village people. Some of the elders recalled that up on the hills there used to be a water tank. The tank would fill with water when it rained. There used to be fish in the tank and greenery around it. Those days, even the village well and the ponds used to have enough water. On hearing this, the Bhima Sangh decided that they would first look for that tank. The tank was on the hill. They found that the tank was full of mud and stone now. How would water fill? The tank had many cracks. How would the water remain in the tank? There was no trees and grass. How would there be greenery? The children said, we must clean the tank and make the area green again. For this, it was important to first understand how things had been before and why they had changed now. This would help them to plan for solving the water problem, and that too not only for 1 year. The panchayat took help from some expert. Together they made a plan and together they worked for it. The tank was first properly cleaned, the cracks were repaired, grass and trees were planted all around the tank. As the tank was on a hill, a lot of rainwater used to flow down the slope. With this water, soil also would flow away. So the children made a small dam on the slope to stop the water and soil. Then everybody waited for the rain to come. When it rained, the tank filled up with the water. The children put some fish in the tank, then kept guard to make sure that nobody stole the fish or harmed the plant. One monsoon went by, then another. Things got better every year. The tank filled a little more. The plant grew, the fish multiplied. After 2 or 3 years, the tank remained full of water even after the rain had stopped. The wells and ponds in the village had water again. There were greenery once again. The people did not have to leave their village for work. The hard work of Bhima Sangh had shown result. The children had shown the way. Those children are now grown up, but the Bhima Sangh continues. And every year more children are proud to become its member and work together to always lead the way. तो ये स्टोरी बच्चों के बारे में है. ये एक गांव की स्टोरी है, हुलगंडी गांव जो कर्नाटका में है. कर्नाटका में ये गांव में कभी कभी पानी होता था और कभी कभी बिल्कुल भी नहीं होता, और जब होता था तब बारिश होती थी इसलिए पानी होता था, वरना ये गांव में बिल्कुल भी पानी नहीं होता था और सारा जगह सूख गया था. तो इसकी वजह से पूरा गांव परेशान था और गांव की पंचायत भी परेशान थी. और नई बात ये थी कि गांव की पंचायत में के स्पेशल मेंबर थे और वो थे बच्चे. बच्चों ने सभी बड़ों को पूछा कि ये प्रॉब्लम पहले भी था, तो बड़ों ने कहा नहीं, ये प्रॉब्लम पहले नहीं था. पहले हमारे गांव के माउंटेन पे, हिल पे, पहाड़ पे एक टैंक हुआ करता था और वो पूरा भरा हुआ करता था और उसमें मछलियाँ थी, चारों तरफ हरियाली ही हरियाली थी। और हमारे गांव के जो कुएं है, तालाब है, उसमें भी पानी हुआ करता था। पर जैसे ही दिन बीतते गए ये सब सूखता गया। तो बच्चों ने ये डिसाइड किया कि पहले का जो था वो हम फिर से लाएंगे। और जब वो बच्चों ने फिर से लाए, जब वो बच्चों ने फिर से वही सब चीज़ें रिपेयर की और सब किया, उसके बाद गांव में वापस पानी आने लगा। इसके वजह से ये गांव की भीमा संघ बहुत ही फेमस हो गई। तो और ये भीमा संघ के बच्चे बड़े हो गए, पर इनमें और भी मेंबर्स जुड़ते जा रहे हैं जो सभी छोटे बच्चे हैं। So this was the end of your chapter number 18. Thank you and have a nice day.